It's literally 2 degrees out, and I thought, well, we should do some brisket. We're gonna put the Yoder to its paces, and we're gonna set it up, run it all night, and do a brisket. It's right about midnight. The beef has been on for about 3 hours. I put it on at 9. It is cold out here, very cold. I am shivering. Probably should have put on a coat. Anyway, I set the Yoder for 225. I had to boost it to 250 so it kind of maintained that 225 temperature. Let's take a quick look at the beef. Honestly, it's looking pretty good for 3 hours in. It is cold out here. Oh my God, it is so cold. I wanted to film this quick and I gotta get back inside. The Yoder is trying to maintain. It's pretty close. But it's starting to smell good for sure. All right, I'm gonna keep this closed. I'm gonna let it go for a bunch of hours. Hopefully I don't have to check in. Our pellet hopper is actually fairly full. Still, I'm amazed at how few pellets is actually used so far for 3 hours in this like -1, -10 degrees. I don't know, it is really cold. Anyway, good night. We'll check in a few hours. So it's about 5:30 in the morning. This thing has been doing amazing. It's been maintaining about 230, 220. It's going back and forth. Really pretty amazed at how well it's maintaining that temperature. It's 2 degrees right now. Let's take a look at that beast. Oh man, it's looking good. Let's see how we're doing on pellets. It's getting pretty low, but not too bad. I'm amazed. All right, we'll check in a little bit. Coming up on the 12-hour mark. Let's check in with that beef. Oh, there she is. She's looking good. This is a small brisket, and we're at about the 12-hour mark. It's got to be getting pretty close here. I'm gonna throw some probes in it. We'll check in a little bit. All right, so the last time you saw me, I was outside freezing. I gave it kind of the press test. It was really jiggly. I probed it, and sure enough, it was done. It was at 202, so I'm glad I checked it when I did. So I immediately threw it in the cooler. It's around noon now. We're getting ready to eat, so it's sat in the cooler for a good 3 hours, just carrying over and resting. So let's slice in and see how this came out. Now, it was so cold last night that I basically threw this brisket on the grate and did nothing to it outside of just watch the temperature. It was already rubbed. I didn't spritz it, I didn't cover it, I didn't do anything because I didn't want to be outside any more than I had to. But it did come out beautiful. So, let's see how juicy it is. Oh, that's just dripping juice. Wow. Got the smoke ring. I probably did go through about 20 pounds of pellets, but I gotta tell you, 2 degrees out, it was worth it. All right, quick video, just fooling around today. We'll see you next time.